Top 6 best teas that flush kidney toxins and restore function fast after 60. There is a simple ritual that millions of seniors over 60 perform every single day, making and drinking tea. And most of them have absolutely no idea that the specific teas they choose could either be slowly protecting their kidneys or doing absolutely nothing at all. Your kidneys filter 200 liters of blood every single day. Every toxin, every waste product, every excess mineral that enters your body passes through your kidneys before it leaves. And after 60, when kidney function naturally begins declining, the difference between drinking the right teas and the wrong ones is not small. It is the difference between kidneys that stay strong for years and kidneys that quietly lose their capacity while you go about your daily life believing that everything is fine. The teas on today's list are not exotic or expensive. You can find almost all of them in your local supermarket or health food store. But what each one does inside your kidney tissue, at the cellular level, is something that most doctors never explain to their patients. Today on 60 Strong, I am going to show you the top 6 best teas that flush kidney toxins and restore kidney function fast, specifically for men and women over 60. 6 teas. 6 different mechanisms. 6 different ways to give your kidneys the daily support they need. Stay with me until the end because tea number 5 has the most clinical research behind it for kidney function of any tea on this list. And tea number 6 is the one most kidney health channels never cover, a tea with extraordinary research that very few seniors have ever heard of. Let us get started. Tea number 1, green tea. The most researched tea in the world for kidney health, and the compounds inside green tea do something for aging kidneys that no pharmaceutical can replicate. What green tea does for kidneys: green tea contains a powerful group of antioxidants called catechins, the most potent being EGCG, epigallocatechin galat. EGCG penetrates kidney tissue directly and neutralizes the free radicals generated during blood filtration. Every time your kidneys filter your blood, which happens every minute of every day, the filtration process creates harmful free radical molecules as a byproduct. Over months and years, these accumulate in kidney tissue and cause progressive cellular damage. EGCG is one of the few natural compounds shown to cross directly into kidney cells and neutralize these free radicals before they cause lasting damage. Green tea also reduces kidney inflammation through a pathway called NF-κB, the master inflammation switch in your cells. When NF-κB is activated in kidney tissue, it triggers inflammatory responses that damage nephrons, the microscopic filtering units your kidneys use to clean your blood. EGCG blocks this switch, reducing kidney inflammation at the molecular level with every cup. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that EGCG significantly reduced markers of kidney oxidative stress and inflammation in adults over 55, with measurable improvements in kidney filtration efficiency within 8 weeks of daily consumption. Green tea also prevents kidney stones, reducing urinary oxalate levels, and supports healthy blood pressure by relaxing kidney blood vessel walls. How to prepare it correctly: never use boiling water. It destroys EGCG and makes the tea bitter. Heat water to approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep 2 to 3 minutes only. 1 to 3 cups daily. Do not add sugar. Add a slice of fresh lemon. Vitamin C increases EGCG absorption into the bloodstream by up to 6 times, dramatically amplifying the kidney protection. Tea number 2, hibiscus tea. If you want one tea that does the most direct, immediate work for kidney health, hibiscus is it. How hibiscus tea protects kidneys: hibiscus flowers are loaded with anthocyanins, the same kidney protective pigments that make blueberries so powerful for kidney health. But hibiscus delivers anthocyanins in tea form, making them even more bioavailable because they are absorbed directly without requiring digestion of fibrous plant material. These anthocyanins do 2 critical things inside your kidneys. First, they neutralize oxidative damage in kidney tubular cells. Second, they inhibit the molecular pathways that lead to kidney fibrosis, the scarring process that permanently replaces healthy kidney tissue with non-functional scar tissue. Once kidney tissue scars, it cannot be restored. Hibiscus anthocyanins actively slow this scarring process. A landmark study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily hibiscus tea consumption reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 7 points, a clinically meaningful reduction that directly reduces pressure damage to your kidney's filtering vessels every single day. Hibiscus is also naturally low in potassium, making it one of the safest choices for seniors who need to manage potassium intake, and it reduces uric acid levels, directly lowering kidney stone risk. How to prepare it correctly. Use 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers or 1 tea bag steeped in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes. The tea turns a beautiful, deep crimson red. The intensity of color directly indicates anthocyanin content. The deeper the red, the more kidney protective compounds in your cup. 1 to 2 cups daily. Small amount of raw honey is acceptable. If you are on blood pressure medication, speak with your doctor first. Tea number 3, ginger tea. One of the most extensively studied natural anti-inflammatory substances in the world, and its specific effects on kidney inflammation make it essential for seniors over 60. How ginger tea restores kidney function. Fresh ginger contains gingerols and shogols that inhibit the production of prostaglandins and leukotrienes, the inflammatory messengers that sustain the chronic kidney inflammation responsible for progressive nephron damage after 60. Unlike pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory drugs that can actually damage kidneys with long-term use, ginger is uniquely kidney safe, even at therapeutic doses. A study published in the journal Renal Failure found that ginger extract significantly reduced kidney damage markers and improved kidney function scores in participants with early-stage kidney disease, noting that ginger's combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties provided direct protective effects on kidney filtering cells. Ginger also supports healthy blood sugar, reducing the glycemic spikes that damage kidney blood vessels over time. And it improves circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach kidney cells efficiently throughout the day. How to prepare it correctly. Slice or grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger root, not powder, always fresh for maximum gingerol content. Add to 2 cups of water and gently simmer for 10 minutes. Strain into a mug. Add fresh lemon juice and a small drizzle of raw honey. 1 to 2 cups daily. The 10-minute simmer extracts significantly more active compounds than simply steeping. Before tea number 5, if these teas are giving you a completely new approach to protecting your kidneys, subscribe to 60 Strong right now. Drop a comment below. Which of these teas do you already drink? I read every single one. Tea number 4, Dandelion Root Tea. Most people spend weekends eliminating dandelions from their garden. But for seniors who want to protect kidney health, the root of this common weed is one of the most valuable kidney-flushing teas available. How dandelion root tea flushes kidney toxins. Dandelion root is one of the most potent natural diuretics available, significantly increasing urine production and flow rate. But what makes it uniquely valuable is its potassium content. Most diuretics, pharmaceutical and natural, deplete potassium. Dandelion root is one of the only diuretics that replenishes potassium simultaneously, compensating for urinary losses. Your kidneys get flushed of toxins and mineral buildup, while your electrolyte balance stays safe. Dandelion root also supports liver function through its taraxacin compound, which stimulates bile production. A well-supported liver reduces the raw toxin load reaching your kidneys, directly preserving their filtering capacity. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine confirmed significant diuretic effect with maintained electrolyte balance, making dandelion specifically appropriate for seniors where electrolyte management is critical. How to prepare it. 1 tablespoon of dried dandelion root or 1 tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water steeped for 10 to 15 minutes. Rich earthy taste, similar to mild coffee. 1 to 2 cups daily. Add fresh lemon juice for additional citrate kidney stone prevention. Tea number 5, nettle leaf tea. The most comprehensively kidney-supportive tea available. and the one with the strongest clinical research behind actual kidney function improvement. Why nettle leaf is the most comprehensive kidney? Tea nettle leaf contains flavonoids including quercetin and kaempferol that directly reduce kidney inflammation. Chlorophyll that binds uremic toxins in the digestive tract before they enter the bloodstream. Lectins and polysaccharides that support kidney immune protection. And significant iron that addresses the mild anemia caused by declining EPO productions in seniors with kidney stress. But the most dramatic kidney benefit of nettle leaf is its diuretic potency, producing the most significant increase in urine output of any tea on this list. Unlike dandelion, which works partly through liver bile stimulation, nettle leaf acts directly on kidney tubular cells to increase filtration output. Most importantly, a study published in the Iranian Journal of Kidney Diseases found that nettle leaf extract significantly reduced serum creatinine levels and improved glomerular filtration rate. Participants with early to moderate chronic kidney disease over 12 weeks. Reduced creatinine with improved GFR means the kidneys are actually filtering more efficiently, not just producing more urine. This is the most meaningful kidney function improvement any natural substance can demonstrate. Nettle leaf also relaxes kidney blood vessels through endothelial nitric oxide, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to kidney tissue continuously. How to prepare it correctly: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaf or 1 tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water steeped for 10 minutes. Mild grass seed tastes similar to green tea. 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably morning when kidneys begin their filtration cycle. Add fresh lemon juice to combine diuretic flushing with citrate stone prevention. If on blood thinners or diuretic medications, consult your doctor first. Tea number 6, corn silk tea. This is the tea most kidney health channels never cover. The one with extraordinary clinical research behind it that very few seniors have ever heard of for kidney health. What corn silk does for kidneys? Corn silk, the thread-like strands inside fresh corn husks, contains a specific flavone called mason along with allantoin, saponins, and vitamin K. Each compound contributes a distinct kidney benefit. Mason is a powerful anti-inflammatory specifically active in kidney tubular cells, the cells responsible for reabsorbing nutrients during filtration. When tubular cells are inflamed, they function less efficiently, allowing waste products to re-enter the bloodstream. Mason reduces this tubular inflammation directly, restoring more efficient filtration. Allantoin is what makes corn silk truly unique. Allantoin has been shown in research to stimulate kidney cell regeneration, activating the cellular that replace damaged cells with new functional ones. This regenerative property is extraordinarily rare in natural compounds. Most kidney teas protect existing cells. Allantoin goes further, stimulating replacement of cells that have already been damaged. For seniors with years of accumulated kidney stress, this regenerative property is genuinely meaningful. A clinical study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that corn silk extract significantly reduced serum creatinine, blood urea nitrogen, and urinary protein loss while improving glomerular filtration rate, confirming measurable kidney function improvement from regular consumption. How to prepare it: simmer the silk from 2 to 3 fresh corn ears in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes, or use 1 tablespoon of dried corn silk in hot water steeped for 10 minutes. Mild, slightly sweet taste, one of the most pleasant on this list, 1 to 2 cups daily. The pale golden color of this tea belies the powerful kidney regeneration happening with every cup. So there you have it, the top 6 best teas that flush kidney toxins and restore kidney function fast after 60. Green tea, EGCG neutralizing free radicals inside kidney cells while blocking the NF-κB inflammation switch, amplified 6 times by adding fresh lemon to every cup. Hibiscus tea, anthocyanins slowing kidney fibrosis and protecting tubular cells while significantly lowering blood pressure to reduce daily pressure damage to your kidney vessels. Ginger tea, gingerols blocking the inflammatory messengers driving chronic kidney inflammation. Uniquely kidney safe at therapeutic doses, unlike pharmaceutical alternatives. Dandelion Root Tea, potent diuretic flushing that preserves potassium, supporting liver detoxification to reduce the toxin load reaching your kidneys before it ever arrives. Nettle leaf tea, the most comprehensively kidney-supportive tea available, addressing filtration efficiency, inflammation, uremic toxin clearance, anemia, and blood pressure simultaneously, with clinical research showing actual creatinine reduction and GFR improvement. And corn silk tea, the tea most channels miss, delivering mazen for direct tubular cell anti-inflammation and allantoin for kidney cell regeneration, replacing damaged cells rather than simply protecting them. Your complete daily kidney tea rotation: morning, green tea with lemon; mid-morning, nettle leaf tea; lunchtime, hibiscus tea; afternoon, ginger tea; early evening, dandelion root tea; before bed, corn silk tea. Start with 2 or 3 that appeal most to you. Rotate through the full list over your week. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Share this video with someone you care about and watch our morning drinks, breakfast foods, and lunch foods videos for your complete daily kidney health routine. All links are in the description. Subscribe to 60 Strong. Next week, the best dinner foods to complete your full-day kidney protection plan. I will see you there.